I think probably definitely you can change and swap the Xenon lights on any of these Challengers, but this time we have definitely the one and only SRT Hellcat HEMI Supercharged engine. We already fit the belt on, we already replaced the bearings, but there is another video you can find on the YouTube. We will swap over the steering pump, we already took it off. This is a swap kit for the air filter, but air filter is completely, yes, worn out. But the same was with the Xenon light bulbs. So here you go, Xenon light bulbs, okay? This was like just this time of module, which was basically this is D3C, 35 watts. And we did get them out. That one is definitely awkward to do it. So what you need to do, when the light bulb is just like here, as you can see, I will go from this side so you probably will understand better. So this now is locked completely, in lock position, as you can see. And no, I already took it on the wrong place. This is a good one, okay? This is how it, when it's locked. So what you need to do, basically what I done, is when you go in here from this side, try to knuckle with these ones, because you need to twist like that. Twist, I would say, to the left, okay? If you look from the back. Before that, pull the plug out. Plug is pulling out pretty easy, just pop it down and it's out. And this is like it tops, you need to not twist the all bulb, all Xenon bulb, but only the black ring, okay? As you can see, it's twisting. And even on here, you can see the top position, and you can see the close, okay? Close, lock, and unlock, okay? It's so easy. Unlock and lock. So you just somehow, another one is a lot easy. If you have the air filter, just pop that thing out. We did pop it out, and it's a lot of a place in here. It's very easy to just get in, and it's the same position, and you just unlock and lock. Now we ordered the new ones. These the old ones, Xenon lights, and they was like one go out, and then immediately after some time went out another one. So we did get the awesome ones. This is the price, a bit expensive, about 70 euros, but this price you can see in an Amazon, probably on eBay or wherever you need, wherever you like. 35 watts, all the same, and the C3S, the same type of system, and it gives you plus 220% of the light. It's called Nightbreaker laser, yes, laser lights. I hope so. They are awesome lights. Okay, so you have this type of logo locker. So you need to please remove it, because German technology, it says. What it gives you in here, you can see it's brightness up to 220%. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Distance, you see, more than 250 meters plus, and light color up to plus 12%. And lifetime, standard lifetime is exactly the same. I don't know how it will be, but we just needed the good ones, you know, and these ones have to be just perfect. It says 3 years warranty, quality, or whatever, but now we will get them in next generation. I think so. You cannot touch them with the hand, definitely, you see. You must use the gloves. So we go and get some gloves on. And yes, the belt is on. Why we did change the belt? Because the old belt was completely, I would say, worn out. Because I will show you in a moment. This is a new one. This is the gates. I will show you the model as well. But you see, if you can see, the rubber is completely splitted, you see? All is splitted, all the way around. So this is the old one, okay? And the gates give us this, how to say, new type SRT look. Gates, micro V belt. This is a code if you need it, and the size of it. It fits just perfectly. This type of belt fits on the red eye as well, but not this one, but on the red eye you got the exactly green one. So this gives us a little bit like a red eye, but actually it's just a belt. Okay, so let's get the gloves up and try to unbox the box and fit the light bulbs in. I reckon we are pretty much ready. New type of blades. Look on this, you see, it's like a chainsaw blade. So I don't know, I would go like this. Whew. I think so, we split it now. So in here need to something press and somehow to get it up. But I don't know actually how to do this system and how to get it out. I try this way. Probably just pop this like in here. And again, let's try again. Come on, open this box. I cannot open actually. I don't know how to open that stuff. Here you go, some more. Oh, yes, it coming. Oh, split it on both sides. You just need to press these buttons down. And when you press these buttons, you are getting close to the bulbs. I think so. You can see what's the difference, isn't it? Look, you have good light bulb and you have bad light bulb. It's just white on the middle. Xenon bulb. The plug is all the same plugs. Yes, it's completely. But as you can see, it don't have a ring. So we get this thing out. No need to don't fuck up anything. So I think so. This is like a top. So we need to the same. Just pop this little knacker off. It's like a bracket, branch, or whatever you need, whatever you call it. And I think so. It have to go like that in. Have to go, just like that. I think so. It's probably have some place exactly where to go, but this is the best way. We just pop this in, and it fits just nice. And the same. It's unlocked, and when we gonna get it in, we need to lock somehow it. I think so. Like that. Not a big deal. Yes, just pop it in, and just lock it. Little bit scratch, so it go a little easy. I don't think it's gonna be very easy job, because it's a little bit hard actually. I don't know. Can we put some little bit, maybe some oily on? Some little chili oil? I don't know, because it's very hard. I don't think I will be able to turn it, because that place is awkward to get in there. It's not very easy. Definitely. It's not easy to get in there. In the other side is perfect, but this side is not good. I think I go with this light bulb. First go easy one, okay? Let's try to pop this in. What I use is just hard to get the rust off. I just little bit pop it on. So now it's like, you see, oh, it's so easy now turning. I think so. Now I will be able to get it right in the place. I don't know, do I need to put some in here? I don't think. It's just enough in here. Just a moisture. And now we will try to get it inside. So I don't know how I can show you the closer one. Just like that. So all you need to do is go in here, put it in an open mode, because that's like clockwise. You will twist it if you look from the back, okay? So let me try to get it in now. I don't see there anything. But I can feel it, it goes in somehow. I don't know if I can pop this thing in. Kada laimene. I don't think I will be able to make a video from inside, but probably yes. Yes, you have a video. You have video. So this is how it looks like when it's in. Okay, somehow there. It looks now in. Yes, it looks safe now, I think so. You just like have to be like that. Yes, I think we can accept that one. Now I think we're gonna turn that thing in on. try to turn it on. Hold it down. Hold it down. So I'm gonna try to turn one on. One bulb on. I think so. I will go like this. Let's pop this thing in. How it looks like? Oh. Nothing? After we got solution with the fuses, we did replace already these two fuses, because one in here is fuse 15 and 16 is for the head lights. So we did replace them because the actually fuse was gone, not the light bulb, but light bulb anyway was in the criminal position. So watch now, we try to switch that thing in. Let's see what it shows like. Alright, lovely, should be okay now. Fuse is ready. This is the most awkward place. You can't get the hand in there. You can try from here, but I done like you go from here and pop it like a la 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 la. You mean what you know what I mean, yes? You just pop like here, and I will try what I will try to somehow lift the toggle so it goes right into the place, okay? So like here you need to pop it in. So let's go and pop this thing in. Don't smack up the light bulb. This is the only best way that I can tell you. So let's go in here. You can see from the back side, and you will see there. We go in here. So that's gonna be perfect. Yes, yes, yes. I tried to knock this thing in, if I can, if I can catch the position. This is the main thing. What you need to do is catch the correct position, okay? I think I will say thank you guys for watching. This is the awkward stuff in this side, but I done it. And yes, you no need to remove the front bumper lights. You no need to remove the wheel and go in there. All is done in here. But yes, if you can remove the wheels, you can do it. Now we're gonna pop these little rubber neckers back on. Don't forget it, otherwise you will get them probably moisture in there and the light can be fucked up. When the fucked up is fucked up. Okay, hold that down. Hold that, put that cookie down. And let's see. Oh yeah, that. Let's pop the lights in. Do we have something? On the both sides? Yes! Yes, yes! Can you see this?